in this video of SEO course. Today we will learn, means we'll see in what way we can have the content written by AI if we get any content written by AI, even if we are getting it written for SEO purpose, whether it's on page, off page or website related content, or if it's anything else. But if it is written by AI, so we have to give it humanized touch. It should feel like it's written by human, it should be unique and should have quality in it, so that it works quite well on the search engine, and also we get quick ranking in SEO. So friends, we have made this course of SEO with AI. Is that clear? So we are teaching you SEO, and along with that we are teaching you the use of AI tools and how to write content for on-page SEO and for off-page SEO, and also how to search the keyword, alright? But along with that, if we are teaching how to get content written by AI, then how to give that content a human touch. And it's important to humanize it. So we have to learn that also, because you cannot pick up this content and cut, copy and paste it. That will not work. And you will have to provide some input, use your brain, and also to do little bit of proofreading. And along with that, how can you use these humanized tools free of cost? So you can use it without buying their pro version. I'll explain that as well. Okay? But before moving forward, I'll tell one thing. So suppose if you are a beginner and you are learning, so you can use these tools free of cost, but there's a limit. When you start earning money, generating revenue, and if you have to humanize the content in quantity, then you definitely need to get the pro version, which is economical. But when you are learning at the initial level, you can manage with free tools. So I will teach you and show you live how things are happening instantly, and there is no problem at all. So now we will open this ChatGPT, and in this I will give a prompt to this of the classified SEO. I want the off-page activity to be done, means classified submission. So we'll get 100-word content, and then we will humanize the content because it's written by AI. So here I will write it down. Provide me 100 words content for classified submission. And my website is. So I'll paste the link of website. So it will give us the content of 100 words. Okay, now look, because I need to create a backlink. So see here, it has uploaded my URL as well as it has given the hyperlinks also. And also content, because I had mentioned my website's URL in the reference. So some content was taken from my website as well. And by understanding the need, it has created a great content of 100 words. Now friends, because this is AI generated content. Now let's go to a website here. And here you will see one website, that is aihumanizer.ai. So this is a good website, and now I will simply paste the AI content here, alright. And now after pasting it, let's just humanize it. So now it has humanized our content and completed it. You can see everything here. Okay, it's done. And it also cross-checks everything through different platforms to see if the content has been humanized or not. Like this. I have opened one website here as well. It is 0gpt.com. So now what I will do here, now that AI generated content means that I had written the content through AI. I've pasted here. Now let's see if it tells us whether that content was written by ChatGPT or not. Yes, this is 100% ChatGPT content. Please take a look. Okay. Now we will just refresh it once here. Alright. Let's refresh the site. Okay. Now here we will see the content that has been humanized by this tool for free. Then we will come here and then we will paste this content, and we will detect this content as well. This is 0%, I mean to say. The content that we've got from ChatGPT, it tells that it's 100% AI written, and when I humanized it, it became 0%, means I humanized it. If it's 80%, 85% or 90%, it will still work. But it is doing great 100%, okay? And so our content is not AI generated. Okay, so that's settled. I opened the website and showed you the tool properly. Now take it randomly. I have checked for SEO friendly content checker on Google. Let's take a website here. Means here we will search for a good website. SEOsmalltools.com is a very famous site. So this website is useful for many different things, but here I will check the plagiarism, meaning it will tell you about duplication, whether it's AI content and SEO friendly or not. It will tell everything. Now here what I will do, the content that I have humanized it and then we have checked it here, it turned out absolutely great. So I'll paste the same content here as well. I've checked the site randomly and did it. And then here we'll check the plagiarism of this, okay? Okay, so it's very good and now it is detecting something. Let it detect it completely. All right. So it will take a few seconds and tell you how our content is. So here you can see it is unique content. It's 100% unique, meaning it's excellent content for SEO. So you can see how quickly we have write the content, how we humanized it. And we have even checked it, that is it SEO friendly from different sites. So in this way, you can also get content written for SEO and have it humanized as well. The process has become faster. But still, I am giving some tips. You don't have to rely 100% on everything because you need to read something, watch it, understand it, and practice things on your own. Okay. And as I have mentioned, if you are a beginner and need limited content, if you have 1,000-word content, no one will do it for you in one go. Maybe any furry website will do once or twice, but they won't do it later. So by creating 100, 150 content, each site has different content. You can humanize it and then use it completely for free. But so just let's suppose that in the future, you have learned everything in a proper manner. And if you are generating revenue from it or creating something, then buy a small tool. And also, I have told you 1 or 2 good tools. My goal is that you should learn something new, okay? And as soon as you learn the new technology and use it, so you can save more time and you will be able to make more and more money, right? Okay, and you will get ahead of others. And that is the purpose of our course. This course is not an SEO course of 2025. This is the SEO with AI course, its latest course. So learn the entire course well. And just do not depend on AI, as you have to learn these skills and also use AI and use your mind also. Then you will get ahead of others and earn many times more money than others and you'll do it quickly. Thank you.